So, California's Greenhouse Gas Reporting Bill, or SB 253, was officially approved last month. And yesterday, they held a workshop to go over some of the deeper details and framework. So, we have Andres here today to give us the top three takeaways there.
Number one, CARB reiterated that 2026 reporting is limited to scope one and two, that the draft template is not mandatory, and also that more guidance is coming, specifically on how do we report? What is the intake process? What's the reporting format, etc. Takeaway number two, so CARB is signaling some flexibility in enforcement in 2026, but ultimately the law is the law. And our concern is that there's some potential downstream risk with commercial agreement, covenants, requirements, and financing agreements when companies are not fully in compliance with the law. And this is something we're hearing from a number of customers as well. Okay, takeaway number three, the real risk today is a rework risk for 2027. As you know, starting in 2027, CARB is expecting you to report on scope one, two, and three, and there's a limited assurance requirement as well. All of this means that companies who treat 2026 as kind of a light compliance year may not be setting themselves up for success. The analogy that I thought about was my 8-year-old, and when she has homework due on Monday morning, she often likes to wait until the last minute on Sunday night. This is not a good way to do it. Let's spread it out over Saturday or Friday and give ourselves some time. This is the exact same thing. Don't treat 2026 as a light compliance year. Treat it as your setup year. Build that reporting muscle this year.